Physics, Chapter 19, Theory Video 5. We are going to learn about simple harmonic motion, or referred to, we abbreviate that to SHM. Simple harmonic motion is actually a very simple concept, but there are many forces that act against simple harmonic motion, which makes the movement complicated. So now, for example, if you vibrate a stringed musical instrument like a guitar, so if you make a string to vibrate, it will go back and forth continuously about the equilibrium position. From left to right, it will vibrate. If there is no any force acting against, like for friction or anything, any other force to limit this movement, it will happen forever. So this kind of a movement is what we refer to as simple harmonic motion. When a string is plucked or a board, it will move back and forth about the equilibrium position. So it is actually it is the same. If you take a pendulum or a swing, it happens. Simple harmonic motion is quite obvious in that kind of situations, but here they have given a list of simple harmonic motion that are quite less obvious. So what you need to understand is it will happen, it will continue to move if there is no other force acting on it. It will remain the same. But nothing remains the same in this world. So things change. New forces come into play, and there are forces affecting simple harmonic motion. So simple harmonic motion will be affected. So here they have given a list of things that where simple harmonic motion can be seen, but not very prominently, but still we can see that. Here, this first bullet point: when a pure or a single tone sound wave travels through air, the molecules of the air vibrate with SHM. So when a single tone moves through the air, it makes the molecule. The sound travels by vibrating air molecules, or whatever the medium through which it is traveling. So this vibration will make the particles to move in SHM about that point. When an alternating current flows in a wire, the electrons in the wire vibrate with SHM. So that the alternating current means back and forth. So the electrons will vibrate with SHM. Then there is a small alternating electric current in a radio or television aerial when it is tuned to a signal in the form of electrons moving with SHM. So that these are actually examples. You don't have to know how they actually work, but just try to remember. So when there is alternating current in play, there is SHM involved. The atoms that make up a molecule vibrate with SHM. For example, a hydrogen molecule in figure 19.11a. So let's see that. So as you can see, there is an elastic bond here. There is an elastic bond here in this place. So about this point, there is a back and forth movement. So that is what we refer to as the SHM, simple harmonic motion. About that point, it moves back and forth. Oscillations can be very complex, with many different frequencies of oscillation occurring at the same time. So simple harmonic motion is not that obvious and easy for us to see. So there are many occasions where there is an amalgamation or combination of many forces acting together. There isn't one particular force acting that would result in simple harmonic motion, but there would be many oscillations occurring at the same time. Example include the vibrations of machinery, the motion of waves on the sea, and the vibration of a solid crystal formed when atoms, ions, or molecules bond together. So here, if you look at this diagram, figure 19.11, in this green colored atoms and the bonds, they have different variations of simple harmonic motion between them. So they have a collective motion, but that is not exactly it does not sum up to uh, you know a simple harmonic motion in the end, but you can break them down into simple harmonic motion between two atoms like hydrogen atoms. So it is easier for us to understand it. It is possible to break down a complex oscillation into a sum of simple oscillation, and so we will focus our attention in this chapter on SHM with only one frequency, right? So they have made it easier for us. We will also concentrate on large-scale mechanical oscillations, but you should bear in mind that this analysis can be extended to situations mentioned above and many more besides. That is, the SHM can variate into many other things, not just this. Right, so it is not only the simple harmonic motion, but a collective. When simple harmonic motions get together, there is a bit of a more complex mechanism in play. Please write down a note on this. Simple harmonic motion. Write down SHM, that is simple harmonic motion, is a special type of periodic motion where restoring force acts towards the object's equilibrium position, resulting in an oscillation and can continue indefinitely. And can continue indefinitely. If not limited by friction or any other force. Leave a line and write examples for SHM. The back and forth movement of a stringed musical instrument. Number 2, a pendulum. A pendulum. Next one, When a single tone sound wave travels through air, the air molecules vibrate with SHM. Next one, when alternating current passes through, electrons vibrate with SHM. Atoms that make up a molecule vibrate with SHM. Leave a line and write. These can get together to produce more complicated motion where many external forces come into relevance. I hope you understood. If you did not, please ask me questions. We will discuss the rest in the next video.